Welcome to a tour of our home on wheels. This is a 2012 Itasca Sunova 33C. It is a gas motorhome built on a Ford V10 chassis. We have what's called opposing slides with the passenger and driver slides going out opposite each other, so that actually literally doubles the space inside. We purchased this motorhome secondhand in 2019. We are the second owners, I suppose. Starting from the passenger side, we have our electric bay. Our batteries and solar controllers and our inverter. Our two back storage compartments. This one houses a whole bunch of maintenance equipment, all our sprays and liquids and whatnot to maintain the motorhome and the car to some extent. And it also has our 70-gallon fresh water tank. So this is how we check when we're filling our tank to see how full it gets. Moving down the back. The last bay on the passenger side just has a whole bunch of stuff, extra shoes and dog clothing and dog toys and dog food and storage essentially. Alrighty. Moving around the back of our motorhome, we have a ladder, obviously, which we use frequently to check the roof.
And put up our Starlink.
And to put up a Starlink. We have our tow bar when not in use to tow our Honda CR-V. This is our furnace, or central heating. Runs on propane. Moving around to the driver's side, we're on the back side. First back bay is our generator. It's a 5500 Onan remote start generator, which we barely use. Our fuel tank for the motorhome. This is what the generator runs off as well. Next along from our generator is the first of our utility bay. Come on in. This is where we have our 50 amp power cord and our fresh water intake and fill system. We actually have a pressurized water fill system rather than a gravity fill. Outdoor shower has our water pump. And our transfer switch in here. Moving along is our second utility bay. I like it that it's that the waste tanks are actually completely separate from our water fill area. So essentially this is where we empty our grey and black tank. And we're currently dry camping at a site that actually has a sewer drain, which is very nice. This is another storage bay, and basically we keep our material for our composting toilet in here, our sewer hoses, which we don't use very much at all, and some leveling blocks. Waste storage bay. And our final storage bay, and this is one of the larger ones because it goes right inside and it curls all the way to the front. Quite awkwardly shaped, but good storage nevertheless. So this has all our other RV utility stuff, like our portable solar panels if we need to use it, our outdoor chairs that we barely use, our portable pump that we use to pump water into our freshwater tank when we're boondocking. And last but not least is the bay that contains the propane tank. It's an 18-gallon onboard propane tank. Not the largest, but it will do. And that's essentially the exterior of our motorhome. Here I am on top of our motorhome to give you a peek of what's up here on the roof. My greeter.
Yay, you're back.
Coming in.
I thought the coyotes got you.
So you decided to show up?
Yeah. Come this way.
Well, we have this little doohickey here because when we're on travel days, when all the slides are in and we open the door, it does touch our fridge, so we just have this here to protect the fridge.